Welcome to our comparison of two leading countertop ice makers, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker and the COWSAR ice maker countertop. In this video, we'll dive into their specifications, performance, and overall value. The Igloo model is known for its compact design and budget-friendly price, while the COWSAR offers faster ice production and a quieter operation. Let's see which one is the better choice for your needs. When it comes to ice production speed, the COWSAR ice maker takes the lead, producing a batch of ice in just 6 minutes compared to the Igloo's 7 to 8 minutes. This faster production time makes the COWSAR a more suitable choice for gatherings or events where quick access to ice is essential. Portability is another important factor. The Igloo model is compact but weighs 13.82 pounds, making it less convenient to move around. In contrast, the COWSAR ice maker is lighter at 11.75 pounds and features a built-in handle, making it easier to transport for outdoor activities or trips. Price is always a consideration. The Igloo ice maker is priced at $87, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to save. On the other hand, the COWSAR ice maker is priced at $109, which reflects its additional features and faster performance. Depending on your budget and needs, each model offers distinct advantages. In conclusion, both the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker and the COWSAR ice maker countertop have their unique strengths. The Igloo is perfect for those on a budget and with limited space, while the COWSAR excels in speed and portability. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.